YouTube what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave, I am the bread, man. Now right now, son, so before we get this video started, man, this is from me to you, you feel me? And I feel like I say this every single time. Every time I make a video after a few months or after a few weeks, I always come out here and I'm like, yo man, I'm back. I'm gonna be uploading. I'm not gonna be ghosting no more, consistent side. And I say that shit every time, son. And then somehow, some way, I stopped being consistent. I stopped posting. Next thing I know, it's been a week since I uploaded. Then 2 weeks, then 3 weeks, then a month. And it's like, damn, son. That shit's crazy. So before we get into this video, man, this is me telling you, like, brother, I'm not letting that shit happen again, okay? And if it does happen again, I need y'all, bro. Like, I need y'all to hold me accountable. Like, I mean, it's a few of y'all, you know, y'all hit me up in the DMs, you know, y'all hit me up on Twitter. We go back and forth, you know, we talk. And y'all be telling me like, yo, where's the uploads? Like, yo, where's the videos? Where's the reactions? Where's the vlogs? And I be slipping, son. You know, but no more consistent side, not no more consistent side, but no more inconsistent side. Consistent side is back in the building. I promise you. I just been doing a lot, man. I've been working hard for, man, I've been grinding my whole life for real. And the last video that I uploaded, it was called like This Is Goodbye. Pretty much saying how I was moving from Charlotte. I mean, y'all know that I was living in AZ, then I moved back to Charlotte, and I literally just left from Charlotte. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all my next move, and that it was gonna be a big move, man. So I'm about to show y'all, man. I'm about to show y'all the crib that I'm at right now. The crib that I'm living at. No, this is not an Airbnb. No, this is not clickbait. This is real. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, just cause y'all know I'll be moving around a lot. But yeah, that's where I'm at. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the house tour. Get ready for the video. Let's get it. Sheesh.
Okay, I'm reloaded. C10, yeah, that's all that I see. Hit the club, everybody on me. Niggas mad cause they wanna be me. Ain't no other man that I'd rather be. On my chest, I got VVs. On her chest, she got DDs. Eating good like I'm greedy. Know I make it look easy.
Alright, so I'm about to show y'all the crib. I'm about to show y'all where I just moved to. I know I've been ghost, man. I haven't really been posting the past like week and a half. Yo, I literally been flying from AZ to Charlotte to Vegas, AZ, Charlotte, Vegas, LA. Like, I've been going back and forth, and that shit is literally tiring. Like, it is getting to a point to where I'm tired of flying, you feel me? But I'm gonna show y'all where I live at, man, and I want to let y'all know, like, this right here isn't me flexing, you feel me? This isn't me, you know, trying to stun on niggas or, you know, trying to cap that I'm doing this and doing that. You know, this, what I'm showing y'all, the crib I'm about to show y'all, this is for motivational purposes only. You know, y'all saw how my life was before, man. Y'all been with me, y'all been, you know, supporting me throughout this entire journey, and I appreciate this for real. I appreciate y'all because, like, yo, I mean, y'all helped me get through a lot of stuff, you know. Should I cut my mustache? Like, should I trim this shit down? I don't know. All right, but I'm gonna show y'all the crib. So let's start right here. Okay, like I said, this is not an Airbnb either. Right now, man, we are in, I don't even know what this is like really called, but yeah. So let's start. What we gonna do, we're gonna start from the very beginning. We're gonna start from the front door, and then I'm gonna walk y'all through the crib just so y'all can see everything. All right, so this is the front door right here. It's pretty much where I just did the intro. All right. Penthouse vibes, man. Come in, you got the nice decor, you feel me? The crib was furnished, because I know some of y'all, you know, y'all gonna come up with y'all own explanations and stuff. Like, the crib was furnished, but a lot of this stuff, some of the stuff I did bring myself. But yeah, this is like the dining room table. And yeah, sorry if it's being a little, if this crib is like dirty, it's not really dirty. I don't think it's dirty. It's not dirty to me. But shit, if my mom saw it, she might say it's dirty. You know, if y'all see it, y'all probably might, bro, this crib is dirty as hell. It's not really dirty. It's a little few things I can pick up, but don't worry about all that. All right, but this is the kitchen right here, man. Got the nice stainless steel. You feel me? Like that? I don't know what the fuck I just said. But damn, man. I've been waiting to stay in a spot like this, man. I've been waiting to finally get a crib. Look at the view. This is where it's really at. Look at the view. Now, let me show y'all this right here. Let me show y'all this right here. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get this. Let me get me on camera with it. Oh, yeah. You know, when it get a little too bright, I need all of them. I need all of them. Here we go. When it get too bright, you feel me? Let me send the moon right. It's kind of dark. It's messing up the lighting. But, all right. Let's bring them back up. Let's bring them back up, coach. But nah, that's dope though, man. I literally wake up to that, you know. This right here is the office. Like I said, it's still a little bit of stuff everywhere, but this right here is the office. You know, got the big screen. Honestly, this is the office, but I'm never really right here. I'm gonna show y'all where I usually go when I do like, when I am like, you know, working. You know, sometimes I sit right here, but these fucking chairs, like this came with the crib. These chairs, bro, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable at all. Let me show y'all the view. Now, usually, my bad. Usually, I be on, you know, the penthouses and top floor, 50 floors up, 30 floors up, you know, Miami, all of that stuff. But this is smooth. It's like the 5th floor. You know, but the reason why, you know, it's a good choice is, for one, like I said, it came furnished. 2, it's on the outskirts of downtown, so you know that's downtown right there. And this is like on the outskirts. You know, my mentor, or multiple of my mentors, people who helped me out, people who put me on game, they live over there, and I literally be walking over there. And like I said, man, I'm back on YouTube now. You feel me? I'm back to, you know, making videos. I'll talk about that later. I'll talk about that, you know, once I set the joint down. But yeah, it's on the outskirts, and it's like low key. You know, you wouldn't, seeing this from the outside, you wouldn't expect for it to be so nice inside, you know. But yeah, man, this is something right here that I really like always wanted to live, you know, in a spot like this. Now, you know, some people, you know, they want to live in a big house, and there's nothing wrong with that. My bad, my neighbors out here. But some people, they want to live in a big house, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just to each his own. To each his own. I always wanted to be, you know, in the penthouse. Not even always. What it really was, I didn't want to live in a penthouse until I went to a penthouse for the first time, and I'm like, yo, this shit is crazy. Like, it's all about who you have around you, because shit, once I experienced the penthouse, I couldn't go back. I never wanted to go back to a regular apartment. I can't live in a regular apartment no more. You feel me? I gotta be downtown. I gotta be uptown. I gotta have the floor to ceiling windows. That's a must. All right, but now, let me show y'all upstairs, because damn, it's an upstairs too? Yes, sir, it's an upstairs too. So let me show y'all this. I even have the, got the little lights around the wall. I ain't gonna lie, like those lights, they are dope. Make sure y'all really see them. Like these lights, they are dope. But the bad thing about it is, like, when it's time to, like when you taking them off, them shits be ripping off the paint. Shits definitely be ripping off the paint. So like, when I take these off, they definitely probably gonna rip everything off. But hey, fuck it. Oh, my bad, I'm supposed to be showing y'all. So this right here is really like the real office. I'm literally making a video right now. I just uploaded a video. Alexander McQueen. But I was uploading the video, and yeah. But this is the upstairs. It's the bedroom right here. It's the master bedroom right here, man. This where it go down now. This nigga's corny. But this is the master. I'm actually washing the sheets right now, so don't say nothing, son. Don't say nothing. This is what your boy look like. Drip. Drip or nah? You feel me? Well, I'm gonna hold it. Let me see it like this. Yeah. How I look? I look good, right? I know I look good, man. Come on, man. You know I look good, man. Not you. I'm talking to the girls. This is a bathroom right here. I was sleeping a little bit earlier. That's a shower. Got the walk-in shower with the shower head above, you feel me? Rain on me. I want to take this. Singer play too much. But this is the closet. I'm not gonna show y'all the closet because the closet is like super dirty. All right, but yeah, it's the office. This is where I'm usually at most of the time. I'm usually sitting right here, you know. Like imagine you just being here, you feel me? And this is your view. This is your workspace right here, you know. That shit's lit. This is the bathroom, and then this is the other room right here. This, as y'all can see, this room is definitely empty. I don't know what I want to put in here. I was gonna turn this into an office, but at the end of the day, shit, I can't have three. You know, it don't make sense to have 3 offices. You know, might as well put like a bed in here, but I'm probably not going to, even though I should. I'm not going to. Y'all know y'all hear the smoke detector. But yeah, man, that's the crib. Shit's straight. Like I said, this shit is not clickbait. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail. Damn, it's fucking. Hold on. Something like that. I feel like all my thumbnails be like this. Hold on, man. I gotta get a good thumbnail. It's just that, and this is what I don't like about it, is the lighting. You know? Wait. Okay. I guess that's gonna have to do. That's gonna have to do. Let me sit y'all right here real quick. But yeah, man, like I was saying, see, is it dark? I mean, it's clearly dark, but a lot of times when I'm recording a video and it's dark, when I look at it on a computer, it actually be straight. So hopefully, if this is dark by the time I upload it, I apologize, man. If it look good, then perfect. Nah, I don't want to have a whole video of me talking and that shit don't look right. See, this is what I don't like about the crib, is the lighting. It's hard to get good lighting because I want this in the background. I want it in the background. That's whack. I'm gonna have to be like this away from it. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Give me some time, man. Let me get right. Is this good? So, I mean, that's something I'm gonna have to work on now. I gotta figure out the little tricks, good spots for me to, you know, get some good lighting. But let's talk about why I haven't really been uploading. To be honest, I feel like y'all don't want to see this. You know, and this is me being completely honest. You know, before you know, the whole Forex stuff, like I wanted to do YouTube. That was the goal. That's what I was working towards every single day. I literally used to wake up and think like, yo, I have to make a video today. I have to drop 2 videos. I have to make a video. That was my mindset. And that's why my channel was growing, because I was treating this shit like a job. You know, even though it's not a job. I mean, it is kind of a job. You know, help you make money, but it's like I was serious about it. But at the end of the day, like, I wasn't really making bread from it. And then I started the whole, you know, Forex, the business and like stuff like that. And honestly, I Am Academy, all of that shit really messed up my entire YouTube. You feel me? Like, I ain't gonna say that messed up my YouTube, but me talking about it over and over and over at every single video, you know, I feel like y'all didn't like that. And this is not me saying I'm done, you know, trading Forex. I'm not done with Forex. I'm not done with I Am Academy. Like, I'm still doing that stuff. But at the end of the day, I know that a lot of y'all subscribe to me. A lot of y'all fuck with me. Y'all was fucking with me before that. You feel me? Y'all was fucking with me because of who I am. You know, and I kind of turned into like this whole salesman, and I stopped having, to be real, man, I stopped having fun. You know, I got real serious about just grind, money, work. I got real serious about it. And don't get me wrong, bro. Like, if you want to be successful, you gotta do stuff like that. Like, you gotta take time to where you just fucking grinding. You know, that's why I am where I am right now. You feel me? That's why I'm able to do a lot of the stuff that I do, because I fucking grind, son. You know, but as I was grinding, I started to lose track of, like, I started to lose myself. And when I say that, I mean, bro, when I'm not in, I don't really make videos like that no more, you know? So when I'm not talking to y'all, I don't talk to nobody really, you know? And that's just not healthy, you know? Like, when I'm not making a video, I literally spend most of my days talking to myself. Not on no weird shit or, you know, not on no stuff like that, but it really be days where I haven't said a word. You feel me? And I mean, yeah, man, I missed y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I missed y'all. You know, I don't know how many of y'all gonna watch this. I don't know if y'all still, you know, fuck with the videos and shit like that. Hopefully y'all do. If not, it don't even matter, son, because at the end of the day, this is my memories, you know, and that's why I really upload. I do want to make entertaining videos for y'all and you know, entertain y'all, give y'all some value. But at the end of the day, this is stuff that I want to be able to, when I'm 80 years old, 70 years old, I want to be able to go back to YouTube and watch my life. Like, think about it. How many people your parents tell you, oh yeah, I used to do this, I used to do that. Oh yeah, I remember I went here, like, but capturing it on video and having evidence of it and being able to watch it, being able to re-experience it and relive it, like, that's what, you know, that's special about YouTube, you know, and that's special about, you know, having videos. So that's why I do it. Yeah, now this video is a little bit different. I just wanted to show y'all the crib. Like I said, this is not clickbait. I know y'all be pissed because I do be clickbaiting. Everybody on YouTube clickbait, man, but y'all be mad about me clickbaiting. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the crib and let y'all know, bro, I'm back on YouTube. I'm gonna do my best to drop a video every single day. If you're not subscribed to the second channel, subscribe right now. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see, because I know a lot of y'all came for Forex and binary options and crypto. Like, a lot of y'all came for some money moves and y'all want to know how to make money. So if y'all want me to do, you know, trading videos, teaching y'all the strategy and stuff, like that stuff I don't really want to upload, but I will if that's what y'all want to see, you know. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna start vlogging, man. I'm dropping all my vlogs on here. I made a whole vlog channel, but fuck that. Like, I'm keeping it here for y'all. This shit bright as hell. And my hair is long, a lot longer. I'm telling you, man, my hair is longer than your girl's. That shit's crazy. Alright, man, I'm gonna get the day started and I'm gonna take y'all with me. We probably gonna be on the phone with it though. Alright, man. Hey, man, y'all saw the journey. Y'all saw where I came from. Y'all saw when I was struggling. Y'all saw when I was sad. You feel me? Y'all see where I am now. Y'all see my energy now. Y'all see how I move. Y'all see how I speak. You feel me? Like, y'all see that shit changed. So the fact that I was able to change, you could do the same thing, bro. You could change. You probably in a situation where you sad, you depressed, you ain't really got bread, you not where you want to be. You could get out of that shit. You just gotta grind. You got to. No way around it. All right, stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy. Sheesh. Hey, man, I know you see it, man. I know he see it, man. Because waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk on what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.